This bird never leaves this rail. Doesn't know what he's doing. Zoom in on his head. Check out these. Jeez. His head is filling up the entire screen. Hey, buddy. That's a mating call for him.
Dude, I'm so tight on this fucker.
Look at his beak, 2 eyes, and his head. He's so confused. He woke up last night, some chick's house, made it back to this fence and doesn't know where to go. Can't even put the night together.
Alright, stop. We're trying to get the shot. It's a shot.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You're not running audio, I am.
I know, but I'm laughing.
We're doing a documentary on
This bird.
bird hookups. This bastard's halfway through his walk of shame and he's so confused as to where to go. He told me to mate for life. I said, no way. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh, eyes are so heavy.
Getting
Blinks get longer and longer. This bug is on my eyeball. It's still there. I don't have any hands to wipe them off.
Stop.
Dude, stop making fun of the bird. Just gonna sit here and act like I know what I'm doing. I'm sleepy.
What's up, buddy?
Fly! The longest video I've recorded is on this little white bastard. Oh! Oh, there he goes, there he goes. And he didn't go very far. I'll just hang out on this rock and look for some chicks. Maybe get a little tired, maybe clean myself. Maybe take a dump. And that's the story of a white bird on Frigate Island. The end.